Okay. Hello? 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 Can you hear me, Harpal? Hello? No, I cannot hear you. I can't hear you, Harpal. Please check your audio settings. Or otherwise, please log off and log in again.
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes. Now I can hear you.
Yeah, actually, I log out and log back in. It
Okay.
worked.
Okay, fine. So, so yesterday we have done these synchronization jobs
Yes.
like authorization sync and repository. So after that we have to generate SOD rules. Okay.
तो सर जी मुझे वो बता दो ना मतलब better in telling the like what are the tables involved and little bit because I know the stuff, right? So if you tell me in the depth, that will be better for me because that will be useful for the debugging also in case down the road some if I do
Yes,
something.
yes.
So don't think I'm a fresher. I'm very experienced. तो
Okay, okay.
मुझे उस लेवल का सब बताओ ना आप.
Yeah. So once we generate SOD rules, I will explain you
Okay.
about tables. Okay, where
Okay.
these stores all into the tables. Okay, different tables. Okay.
ठीक. Okay.
So like generate SOD rules. Okay, give star and execute in background. Okay, right. Okay, this is generated for this program GRAS underscore generate underscore rules. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so now we can go to SE16 See.
So my question is,
Yeah.
you did everything on the 260 on GRC side. You didn't do anything on the client side, on ECC side. Is that okay?
Yeah, is that okay? So
Matlab
here,
it's not
yeah,
needed. Hello.
yeah.
So it is not required to do anything on the ECC side.
No. See, I will show you in ECC side also. Okay.
So,
So,
Sarji, I think is actually I want to understand the logics.
mm,
I know you can do anytime, like I want to know step by step when it is required, why it is required, that sort of thing. You know what I mean?
yes, that is okay. That is what I am saying.
Okay.
See, whenever uh,
Okay.
we do the risk analysis, we will do that. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
See, all tables, important tables starts with GRAC. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So in these tables, say for example, uh, there is one table called GRAC user.
And sir, one more thing, please teach me as if that I'm experienced. Secondly, teach me as if ECC is a different system, GRC a different system.
Right.
Okay.
Exactly. See here, it shows like say for example, what are the users it contains? User underscore ID. Which user we have? See, for our connector, it is not showing any user IDs.
आप इसको ना डबल क्लिक कर दो ऊपर ना, जो पर मेन्यू नहीं है, राइट टॉप, राइट टॉप ऑन द टॉप, go up please, up and the right side, on the right side, go on the right top, up, right side, last, right sir, right में जाओ आप बिल्कुल, right yes, more right, जो बीच में सेकंड आइकन है, yes इसको क्लिक करो. ओके इसको थोड़ा विंडो वो कर दो ना, ताकि यू डोंट नीड टू स्क्रॉल अप एंड डाउन. इसको थोड़ा नीचे, इसको ऊपर ऐसे नहीं होगा सर, ये होगा जो विंडो है ना बीच में, ये वाला जो विंडो है, इसको थोड़ा रीसाइज करना पड़ेगा, नॉट दिस. इसको ना, इससे नहीं होगा सर, नो इट वोंट हैपन लाइक दैट. ये जो विंडो है ना हमारा, एक विंडो जो डाटा ब्राउजर का पूरा विंडो है ना, इसको रीसाइज करना पड़ेगा.
इसको
ये डेटा ब्राउजर है ना सर, डेटा ब्राउजर का ये पूरा एक विंडो है ना, इसको रीसाइज करना पड़ेगा फ्रॉम द कॉर्नर.
इसको
यस इसको रीसाइज करना पड़ेगा. क्या व्यू ऑप्शन, आई कैन नॉट, लाइक दिस इज वन विंडो राइट.
सो कैसा रिसाइज करना है इसको?
कॉर्नर से करेंगे ना सर, एक कॉर्नर से, हाँ लाइक दिस. नहीं हो रहा, हाँ ये लाइक दिस, यस इसको डाउन करो, नो इसको नीचे करो, ये कॉर्नर से उठा के इसको, हाँ इसको, नो नॉट फ्रॉम दिस साइड, फ्रॉम द टॉप, यस यू कैन डू लाइक दैट. ओके दैट्स इट. अब ऊपर कर दो इसे ना, यस यहाँ से ऊपर कर दो. सो यू डोंट नीड टू स्क्रॉल डाउन, इट इज मच हैसल. नो इट्स प्रीटी गुड राइट. और थोड़ा ऊपर कर सकते हो, अदरवाइज नो इश्यूज. ओके तो सर यू कैन डू वन थिंग, मेक द कनेक्टर एज ए नल, स्टार कर दो. मेक द कनेक्टर as a
Even though
okay
it is not showing any.
सर वही मैं कह रहा हूँ क्लाइंट कनेक्टर को ना वो कर दो आप
Which one?
नहीं सर एक मिनट जो कनेक्टर है ना इसको करेंगे आप ECC client is not the GRC client.
What is this connector? ECC, right?
Yes.
Yes. That is ECC.
Yeah.
Is
Now say number of entries. Okay.
Yeah, now it displays. Okay.
Yeah.
So these are the user IDs existed in this connector.
Yes.
So now, so in this GRAC user.
So my question is,
Yeah.
so what are these users came through the repository object sync, right?
Yes.
And these users you'll not find it in SU01, right?
SQ?
SU01.
No, these SU01 users only.
Sorry.
No. What is your question?
My question is, what are the things you are importing from ECC system to GRC system?
Yes.
Those users or roles you cannot see in the SU01 and PFCG, right?
In SU01 PFCG. Yes. Exactly.
Okay.
So see, this is another table. Okay.
तो सर वो ये भी मुझे बताओ ना जो मैंने आपसे पूछे because if I ask question I can tell only those things which I have the knowledge, then I cannot get all the things from you. That is my intention.
Yeah. Tell me.
So that's why that is the reason I told you to teach me as if EC system is different from GRC system, because
Yes,
in that scenario what will happen, because this is only one system, even if you do the SU01 you'll get Srinivas, right?
Yes.
Yes.
See, in GRC, ECC, if these two are two separate boxes, okay, once we sync the data, we can view those user IDs only in NWBC, not in the SU01.
But also in the tables, right?
Got my point?
But also in the tables, right? NWBC is the second step. First step is it won't find in the SU01 but find in the tables, right?
Yes.
Okay. Fine. Please go.
So here, this is another table. Okay. See, once we generate, what you can say, SOD, segregation of duty violations. Okay. This table contains values. Okay. This table is GRAC user. ACTVL means action violations. This table must contain values. Then only risk analysis shows values. Okay. If this table doesn't contain any values, risk analysis doesn't display any values. Okay. Got my point?
No, once I see it, I'll.
Yeah. See, once you generate
You already generated that.
SOD violations. Okay, we just before we have scheduled on background job, right?
Mm-hmm.
Generate violations, generate SOD rules. Just before we came here,
Yes.
in SPRO we have executed one background job, right?
Yes.
PFCG underscore generate underscore rules. Okay.
Mm.
So those rules will be stored into this table in SC16. Once we generate SOD violations, those violations at action level, that means all T code level violations must be stored in this table.
Okay.
Otherwise, we cannot see risk analysis. Once we run the risk analysis, we can't see any values if this table doesn't contain any values. See, number of entries.
You did execution or number of entries?
Yeah, checking. See 0. Okay. So that means SOD violations not generated. Okay. So even though we run disk analysis, okay, it doesn't show any result. Okay, it cannot show violations. So we can go to SM37 and we can check our executed background job. Okay. So this is our GRAC generate tools, right? It is
Yeah.
finished successfully.
Yeah.
Okay. It is finished successfully, but we are unable to get the results here.
There will be 0 because you already executed it. It showed 0, right? So nothing will occur.
0, okay. So again, we will check another table. I think it doesn't contain values. Obviously, that PRMVL table also. So doesn't contain values. Okay.
Number of entries.
So this is permission violations. That means violations at object level.
Mm-hmm.
So this is also 0. Okay. So if this true table doesn't contain values, okay, that means risk analysis cannot show any violations. Okay. So these two tables need to be populated first. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So for that, we have to go to again SPRO, and again we have to run the synchronization jobs.
Synchronization? You mean deposit objection?
Once these T codes objects sync with the GRC, then only
नहीं, what job you want to run it?
these two like
No,
authorization.
sir, वो तो आप टेबल से देख सकते हैं ना. If in populate in the table, it means it's fine, right? Because you run the deposit objection, you can see in the as a user, right? And the same thing you can see the roles, right?
Yeah, see,
So what is the use of doing again? Because
see,
already you did.
I will show you if I run risk analysis. Okay.
You can open a new session basically. No need to, because it works hard. Or
Okay, this my ID doesn't contain NWBC roles. Okay. So
this is SAP user, right?
yes. So go to SC01.
सर अब कहाँ पर हैं, जीआरसी में कि ईसीसी में?
My GRC में.
So this is 260, 250,
Yes, 250.
250. Okay, SAP user. Okay.
Okay. You just assign SAP all. Okay. So for NWBC, so star. Not this one.
तो सर पहले आपको तो जनरेट करने होंगे ना these roles.
Which roles?
You have to first generate all these roles, right?
Yeah, see, real time we will generate. So here no need to generate. We can use a SAP standard rules. So we can generate like with G roles. Okay.
सर मुझे ना एक्चुअली आई एम नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग एनीथिंग बिकॉज स्टेप बाय स्टेप कुछ नहीं हो रहा ना सो नॉट मींस zigzag हो रहा कि यू नो व्हाट आई मीन राइट
No, no, I want to show you if
ओके
two tables doesn't contain
ओके
any values,
आई गॉट इट
how risk if we run risk
ओके
analysis, how it
ओके
shows, okay, display.
ओके आई गॉट इट
So this is
SAP यूजर
SAP user and India 123 password. There are no tasks available to you yet. Why?
SAP यूजर so do they have profile generated right
Okay, 1 second.
that's why yeah authorization
Organization generated, no?
yeah user compare yeah
So all are generated.
so I think is that enabled in ICF service, right? SICF.
So I would say already done well. SICF.
Public PC, GRC.
This
Okay,
is already activated.
yeah. Public also. Public GRC, BC.
Public also done. VC also done. Come SAP user.
Surprising.
Yeah. It is 250. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
It is not allowing us.
So can you do one thing? Can you go to SUPC? SUPC. SUPC.
Okay.
Okay, and the role, do star GRAC, star GRAC, star GRAC, star, and the down generate automatically, the last
Yeah.
generate automatically. No, last
Okay.
down, yes. Now execute it. No,
So this is already generated.
I understand, but okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Now we'll find a select area.
Somehow, yes. But
You know, once something doesn't work, then we have to work from the scratch. That's why
yes,
this is
yes, yes, yes.
testing.
SU01.
Can you also do one thing?
Yeah.
Can you go to the SAP GRC and WBC in the roles? Yeah, go there. GRC and WBC. Go up. Yeah, and WBC. Double click. Menu. Now see, authorization is that I was saying. Click on there, and there is no profile, right?
Yeah, there's no profile.
Create the profile. No, first create the profile, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Generate profile. No. Yes. Back. Doesn't contain active. So please go back.
Okay, okay.
Yes. And generate the profile. Yeah. Now change authorization data. No. Change it. Yeah. Yes. Adopt reference. Done.
Do not select.
Okay. Okay. Generate profile. Generate. By default to save. Doesn't contain any. Okay. Back. Back. Yeah, we have to do again. No, we have to, no. Change authorization data. Adopt reference. Just click adopt reference. Select them. Oh, okay. Now you know what is the issue basically. This is the issue. Because here it is not.
So here there is no. What is this gRPC? We must have gRAC now. So it is not generating. Any active authorizations? See if you go and check. What is this? Mhm. So actually, I told them yesterday to uninstall this and install new software. But I don't know because background jobs also canceling here. The system I ran background job yesterday.
Sir, yeah, you know what I'm thinking? I can do one thing.
Yeah.
If you want, I can get the server access from outside if they're not doing it.
Yeah, that is better.
Can you do NWBC? Yeah, please go to NWBC.
Yeah, that's what I'm.
Yeah, double click and go to menu. Go to menu. Now see, these are my, click on my home, left side.
So my home.
Yeah, these are the things, right? These are things which are displaying over there, and under these and underneath we have to display other things under the my home, right?
Okay. One second. NWBC, no?
Sorry.
Yeah, we'll do it. SAP, GRAC, and WBC, right?
Yeah.
ये वाली फोटो
50,000 थी। वाओ।
24x36 कर रहे हैं।
ऐसा क्या मतलब है?
2 फुट पे 3 फुट की फोटो है। ऐसे छोटी तो फिर मजा नहीं आएगा।
12 में 24 कर ले, अरे खोल के देख। ठीक है।
ठीक है ना? 2 फुट इतनी तो होनी चाहिए ना, इतनी तो होनी चाहिए, नहीं तो नजर क्या आएगी सिर पे।
कर दे प्रोसीड, इतनी अच्छी है, कर दे।
और अगर वो कोई उसमें कूपन नहीं मिल रहा, मन लग रही है।
मिल गई?
नहीं मिला कोई। फाइंड स्टोर करना पड़ेगा।
रूम पर 120 था साढ़ा। एक आध मिल रही है, कल ही मिल रही है, कल 8 बजे आफ्टर
12 कर दो, मुझे जल्दी नहीं।
डजंट मैटर ना, 10 करेंगे 12 11 में जा सकते हैं, 12 में जा सकते हैं।
नहीं ठीक है 12
ओके। ठीक है, पेन स्टोर, दैट्स फाइन। अपना फोन नंबर दे दें। स्टोर तेरे नाम नहीं लिखेंगे अपना?
आपके ऑर्डर पे ना, आपके नाम पे।
मेरी ऑर्डर नॉट कंप्लीट होते, वो तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, मुझे ऑर्डर दैट्स फाइन। बैक करा
नहीं, किस लिए?
क्या
सबमिट कर दो।
ये वो तेरे देना पैसे,
देख लीजिए पहले।
हो गया खत्म। उन देख रही मिल जाएगी।
आपकी, आपने ऑर्डर करा हुआ ना काम से। हो गया अंदर ही।
हो गया बड़ी बड़ी है। ठीक है,
अभी देखनी पड़ेगी।
क्यों?
ऐसी फोटो थोड़ा लगा दो कि फ्रेम भी चाहिए ना।
टेप?
You kidding me, right? No.
ठीक है, तो भेज देना है
मैं भेजने की जरूरत नहीं।
तो
मैं ले लूंगी। तो भेज दो, चलो फॉरवर्ड कर दो। अच्छा ये भी एक बार चेक कर लो, मैं लिखती हूँ।
भेज दे।
चेक कर लेते हैं।
So did you check on the different instances, like wherever you did before the batch, you are getting the same issue or what? No?
No. See here see for example I have downloaded and uploaded that role.
ऐड कर दिया।
Okay.
नहीं मैंने उसी के ऊपर
See, here we have menus.
Thum. मैंने भेज दे।
अब देख लेना।
पूरे पढ़नी पड़ेगी ना, मतलब
पूरी तो नहीं पढ़नी पड़ेगी, तो बीच में तो कॉपी पेस्ट किया, ये ठीक मैंने किया बीच में से। मैंने मारने ताने ताने होते हैं लोग से चिपका हुआ है ग्रुप। आप दे रही सिमरन,
आप जी दे हजूर।
आप जी दे रही
जी द दे
ये होना ही लिखा है।
आप जी दे हजूर सिमरन चुपई
शेप पूरी है अनंत साहब।
ये पौड़ी
अनंत साहब करते हैं, हाँ सीधा अनंत साहब ही करते हैं।
हम पढ़ जाते हैं। अलग अलग पढ़ देना ताकि नमाज पढ़े।
नहीं वो कंटिन्यूएशन थी उसकी।
ओके
ये मैंने अपने आप ऐड करी, ठीक है ना, सेंस मेमोरी।
ताज है जी
ऐड
ताज जी ओके
विद्यार्थी हैं, मैं विद्या का दान बख्शो जी, सेवा दानो सेवा करम का दान बख्शो जी। बस
ओके
अखर वादा बाबा जी।
अखर दा वादा अखर दाएं ऐसा सब बोलते हैं ना। ये ठीक है।
ठीक है, इसको सेव कर लो, दोबारा से ठीक करो। तो इस डॉक्यूमेंट्स में ही है, फिर इसको प्रिंट कर लेना।
कितने आए थे?
नहीं,
ठीक है हो गया।
Okay, Arpal. Hello.
Yeah.
Like due to some dump errors, it is not working. See,
Not working?
even though I downloaded and uploaded that role. Okay, the menus have been copied, but see, menus came.
The menu is fine. Menu fine. Authorization.
Yeah, but
Yes, change authorization. Why it is asking for this? Adopt reference.
see,
If you say don't select template, then it won't work, right? Can you do one thing?
Yeah.
View option, request remote control. Can I have one control request?
Okay.
Okay, so this is there. Now you can go there, menu. This is menu there, right? Position of okay, still is coming up. So okay, It doesn't matter, right? Because not coming. It won't leave us without export mode. Why not? Why don't we do that? This change authorization data and can't we do like this? Select all. No, we have to select at least only one. We can do all. So if we do SAP all, complete authorization with all authorization object. Let us try because it's a Z, right?
But those SAP all provides authorizations for
Everything. It's not right, right? It's giving everything. It's not right, right?
yes.
Need to delete it, right? Yes. Z
Okay.
is not right. Asking for that. तो सर क्या करें फिर हम? Like they are not changing the software.
Yeah, they will change. They said they will change by today, but
Okay.
by today afternoon.
Sorry.
Yeah, they will change the software by today afternoon.
Okay. So they'll put the same thing 10.0.
Yeah, maybe because they have only 10.0, I think. But this might have installed long back this server, so that is why it is
सर आपका कोई है नहीं आपका any known?
like for server access.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like now we have to pay them. That is the
Okay. चलो आगे और तो कुछ नहीं करना ना अभी.
Pardon?
We have to do further anything now? Or done?
No.
Done, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Because okay. I'm closing it then.
okay. Hello. Oh, okay. So like yeah, we can do it. Okay. So mm, okay, I will ask some other vendor to provide a server. Okay. Hello. Yes. I am not employee of them. I am just faculty. Yes.